Oh man, garlic, scape, pesto. 2 thumbs up and a big toe. Okay, today I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to try to make garlic scape pesto. I've never done it before. I don't see any real problems with it. It should be pretty easy. I got some olive oil, a little bit of vegetable oil, pepper, salt if I need it, some Parmesan cheese, of course the garlic scapes, and parsley. Parsley is to kind of, I'm hoping it'll give it a little bit more color. It's less about the flavor than it is about the color. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to give this kind of a rough chop. Keep your fingers out of the way. The pestos are also made with like pine nuts and stuff like that. I don't have any of that, so I'm not going to use that, although it would be amazing. Okay, so go ahead and put that in there like that. Go ahead and put in the parsley. Make sure I get all the goodness. Go ahead and add some pepper because I'm a pepper guy. I love pepper. That should be enough. And I need to plug in. Here, plug this in. Okay, now I'm going to add some cheese. I don't know. Yeah, put it all in there, screw it. I'll use that for the storage container. How's that? And then I'm going to add some olive oil. Add some vegetable oil, just, you don't have to, but not enough to go around. And I'm going to go ahead and just put a pinch of salt in there to start with. Go ahead and put the lid on. I got my NutriBullet, my magic bullet, whatever they call it. Here we go. I'm gonna add some more. I'm going to add some more oil to it. And I'm going to add just a little bit of lemon. There we go. Still need some more oil. Still on the thick side. This is really a by guess and by golly, guys. There is no recipe. I'm just looking for a particular texture. gotta grab a spoon. That looks pretty amazing. Grab a spoon. And add a little bit of salt. And add a bit more pepper. And a little bit more oil. Oh man, this is amazing. Try this again. Garlic scape pesto. You guys are wondering what to do with your garlic scapes? Oh my God, that is so good. Wow. It's garlicky without not being, it's not overpowering. I can taste the cheese and the salt and the pepper, and the little bit of parsley in there gave it a nice color. Oh man, garlic scape pesto. 2 thumbs up and a big toe. Like, share, subscribe.